Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing colony stimulating factors. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on colony stimulating factors so you can follow along with me. Colony-stimulating factors are used to treat neutropenia, which is a low level of neutrophils. A neutrophil is a type of white blood cell, and neutrophils make up between 50 and 70% of the white blood cells in the body. And they play a critical role in the body's immune system. So when a patient has neutropenia, this places them at increased risk for infection. Colony-stimulating factors are most commonly used to prevent infection in patients undergoing chemotherapy. However, they can also be used to treat neutropenia related to other conditions such as acute radiation syndrome. In terms of mode of action, colony-stimulating factors stimulate the bone marrow to produce more neutrophils. A key medication in this drug class, and one you definitely have to know for nursing school, is Filgrastim, which is brand name Neupogen. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication is to think you fill up on neutrophils with Filgrastim. Filgrastim can be administered via the IV route or subcutaneously. The most common adverse effect of this medication is bone pain. Other possible side effects include leukocytosis, which is a high number of white blood cells, GI upset, such as nausea and vomiting, and splenomegaly, which is enlargement of the spleen. In terms of nursing care, it's important to not agitate the bile because this can denature proteins in the medication and make the medication ineffective. You'll also want to monitor your patient's complete blood count with differential, which includes the absolute neutrophil count. These labs should be assessed prior to initiating therapy with Filgrastim and then throughout therapy to make sure the medication is effectively increasing the neutrophil count and is not causing issues such as leukocytosis. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Filgrastim is used to increase production of which kind of white blood cell in the body? The answer is neutrophils. Question number 2. Which of the following are common side effects associated with Filgrastim? Select all that apply. A. Leukocytosis. B. Splenomegaly. C. Leukopenia. D. Bone pain. And E. Cardiomegaly. The answers are A, B, and D. And question number 3. Which lab panel is used to monitor the effectiveness of Filgrastim therapy? The answer is a CBC with differential, which allows us to monitor the patient's absolute neutrophil count as well as other blood levels. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. Before starting we invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.